After a very hard task of 2 days, anti-narcotic task force has been able to arrest 3 international smugglers, cross-border smugglers, and have been able to seize 2 packets of heroin weighing about 2 kgs, and it is costing in the international market to the tune of 14 crores. On 19th of this month, we got a specific information regarding some consignment of heroin being transported from Khor to Akhnur area. We laid nakas at various places. During search operations, we intercepted a specific numbered scooty which was shared with us, and during search, we recovered 1 packet of heroin with a specific marking which indicated its international linkages towards Afghan grade heroin. The suspect, which turned to be accused Naresh, was put to sustained questioning, and he referred to another packet of heroin which has been concealed or hidden somewhere near the international border. On 19th, 20th and 21st, 3 days, we continued our search operation during very heavy rains and flood-like situation near the IB with the close cooperation of Indian Army. However, on specific interrogation, that person referred to 2 more accused persons who know the specific place where that other packet of heroin is concealed near international border. 2 persons, namely Kamal Singh and Balbir Singh, both from Khod. They were detained and put to questioning, and they admitted that they have concealed another packet of heroin near international border. We took both of the accused persons to the specific place and recovered the other packet of heroin along with Indian Army. Total 2 packets of heroin have been seized and 3 persons have been arrested, including one Balbir Singh, who is ex-serviceman. The modus operandi which came out during the sustained interrogation reflected towards Pakistan drug suppliers throwing the drug packets across the international fence, and these persons were supposed to pick the packets from that place. Before that, we picked them and seized the narcotics. Total 2 packets of heroin weighing 2 kgs and 3 persons have been arrested. ANTF is investigating further linkages. Both forward and backward linkages shall be exposed very soon, and we are expecting more arrests. The reference of the across the border are indicating towards some specific accused persons. We shall be trying for their extradition through mutual legal assistance treaty or lateral regulatories, whatever phenomena we need to apply. So this is the international cartel which we have exposed. The FIR has been registered under specific sections of NDPSA Act, and the teams were led by Inspector Sunil Jasrotia and Ankush Chip. We thank Indian Army for all the cooperation in this operation. Thank you so much.